Hi friends, Parag from Comfort Zone Liberation Hub. Today I have a very interesting topic to you. Do we need to take calculated risk in our life? Before answering that, let's understand what is calculated risk. Let's say you want to do something different in your life and you have done good amount of research and your gut feeling says this is great idea, is going to be very interesting project for me, and you believe that this will rock. And at the same time, your practical mind will raise a negative thought to safeguard you, and the practical mind says, really, is it going to rock? But where is the evidence? Since there is no evidence for your practical mind, and you tend to become fearful. Sounding familiar? And at the same time, coincidentally, your previous bad experiences in life is the evidence to support your negative mind. Guess what? You tend to become indecisive. So to say, you have become a victim of procrastination. Let me share you my experience. 15 years back, I had invested in a data conversion project and I failed miserably because I was cheated. 10 years back, myself and my close friends invested in startup venture and it was not earning the way we wanted it to. Despite this venture was featured in BBC World News as one of the innovative ideas. Few of you must have lost money like this, right? Now the real question is coming in front of us is, do we need to take such risks in our life? If you ask me, I would say never stop taking such risks in your life. But as a precaution, I would say take calculated risks. To know whether your idea works or not, you need to experiment with yourself, with your idea. And my dear friend, there is no other way. You will never come to know whether it works or not unless you take that step to experiment. You might ask me, Parag, now what is the way out? Start keeping fund for experiment. Say 5% of your earning for experiments in your life. Any opportunity that comes related to what you really wanted to do. Do some background work on the opportunity that is in front of you. And if that opportunity resonates with you, go ahead and take that decision and use part of the fund that you kept for experiment. And this is called as calculated risk. My friends, keep experimenting by taking calculated risks in your life, and I'm sure you will enter into a sweet spot of your life's orbit that you really wanted. I hope you like this podcast. More to come soon. Thank you for listening and share it if you like it. Thank you.